I'll just show you how to stream music from the Bluetooth system in this 2018 Peugeot. So if we go to, let's have a look, if we play a record on here, you see at the bottom BT Peugeot, the triangle with the 3 circles there. If you click on that, there's a tick next to BT Peugeot. So whatever's in your phone will play through the system. If you go to audio there, you see there your choices. You've got sources, click sources, and you've got Bluetooth there. So if I turn Bluetooth up and then turn it up here, there you go. That's how you stream audio.